Here we can simulate a full subtractor using Quartus Prime software. So open the software, choose this new project wizard option. Next, then here you need to create that directory or a folder for your program. So here you can create a new folder with the name, any name, Subtractor, and select that folder. Then here next you need to specify the name of your project, like any user defined name. Then next option, again next. Here you have to specify the same project name as your file name. Then next, on this page under this board option you have to choose this DOCV develop option, this one, and click next. And this page under this simulation you have to choose this model simulation altera. Then next. Now you can finish this task. Now we can open a new file, new Verilog HDL file for typing your program. On this editor window you can write the code for your full subtractor, and here the name of that module should be the name of your file that you have already created. The file name was sub, so you have to specify the module name, exactly the same file name. Okay, so now we can save this with the same file name sub, and the name should be exactly the same name of this module. Now after saving this, here choose this under this hierarchy, here choose this file option. Now you can see your file here. So keep right click and keep this as top level entity. Now you can compile using this compile option, start compilation. Then here you can see the progress of that compilation. Then you have to wait for that entire compilation. Okay, now you can see here that the compilation is done without any error message. So now we can go here in this tool option and this run simulation tool and RTL simulation. It will open a new window here. Here you can see that screen or space for your wave generation, and in that left side here you have this RTL work, and click on that plus. Here you can see your file sub. Right click on sub, then choose this create wave option. See here all that inputs and output that we have used that in that file. Here all that input and output variables are listed. From this you have to remove all that output variables. What are the output variables in this program, full subtractor program? Borrow and difference are the output variables. So now we have to remove these output variables, borrow and difference. So for that, right click over that borrow, choose this edit option, then delete. Similarly, right click on difference, edit, delete. Now here that input variables are available, and we have deleted that output variables. Now again you can right click on this file and go with the simulate option. See, again all the variables are listed here. From this list you can drag and drop all the variables, output variables here. Not all the variables, only that output variables you can drag and drop here. So after that you need to initialize all the input variables A, B, C. For that, right click on this variable A, then edit option, wave editor option, create or modify wave option, and thus next, and set that initial value as 0. We can keep this clock period as 100 itself, then finish. So the wave corresponding to input variable A is initialized. We have to repeat the same with B and C. So edit option again, right click over B, edit option, wave editor, create or modify wave. Next option, here it is, keep it initial value 0. Now we can change, previously the clock period was 100 for A, now we can keep it as 150, finish. One more variable is there, C. We need to initialize C also. Again, right click on the C, edit option, wave editor, create or modify wave. Next, initial value 0. Keep it another clock period for your variable C. Keep it as 200 and finish. See, these are the clock pulses corresponding to input A, B and C. So after setting this input values, now we can run using this run all option. See, 2 extra waves are now generated, which is corresponding to your borrow and difference. So click in this window somewhere. So this yellow bar indicate that a particular point of this clock pulse. See, what is the meaning? Here in the first wave, that intersecting point with this yellow bar indicate A is 0, and in the second wave B is 1. Here the C is 0. So based on this value 0, 1, 0, it is clear that borrow is 1 and difference is 1. We can move this one to and fix to some other point. Then here see, what is the condition? A is 0, B is 0, C is 1. Then borrow is 1, difference is 1. So this is the meaning of this waves. This is the output of your full Subtractor simulation.